Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your persons and your energies towards each other, how they are seeing you as, what is the obstacle they feel in the relationship, what are their next steps, and the probable outcome of the situation you're dealing with, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? So what's coming up with my Scorpios? 10th till 16th of January 2022, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. What's coming up with my Scorpios and their person, please? Okay. So, okay. So how they see you? They see you as the Hierophant. They see you as a person who has his or her own beliefs and systems and norms, and you're different. You might be having difference of opinions, and this can be a reason. They are seeing you as a person who is really intolerable for them, and they really feel that you are going on your own way and you are going on some other direction. They are not going in that direction in which you are going. So that is how they are seeing seeing you as. How you see them as Justice energy. Could be dealing with a Libra, but they really see you as a person who has exactly different norms from your end and different norms from their end as well. So you also feel that they are really different from you. They do not have you both have different aspects in life. You both have different thoughts in life. With the Queen of Pentacles, you feel that this person is more practical in nature, and when it comes to money, they are more towards the money, and you could be also dealing with a person who is going through a divorce case, or something else going on. A person who is already into something or someone could be dealing with a third party, but not wanting that person. Could be the ending of that situation, but you could be dealing, and that is the reason. There's a lot of ups and downs going on between both of you. How they see the relationship as the Temperance. They are taking slow and they do not want. Okay, so with the Knight of Swords, I feel that they are taking this relationship very slowly. They are balancing this relationship. They are just wanting to let it go. Whatever is happening, just go with the flow. They are not wanting to take this relationship to a next level at present, because they are really dealing with some other situations, and they are really tired, and somewhere they're afraid to take a next step, and that's why I feel that they become really aggressive also in front of you, because they are going through a lot of pain and struggles in life, I feel. How do you seeing this relationship? The Four of Cups and the Five of Wands. Yeah, you feel that there's a lot going on. You also know that it's happening. You see this relationship is not going because, they are not wanting. They are wanting to slow down. The more you want it to go fast, and that is the reason the things are not happening the way you are wanting them to happen, because they are going through stuff, and they do not want to tell people a lot about what's going on in their life, and they are really hiding this thing right now from other people. So that's why they could also be rejecting your calls, and they could be not replying to your messages, because of the fear of things coming out in the open. The obstacles which they feel are coming up with the Fool energy. The obstacle from their end is the Fool and the Five of Pentacles. They feel they have taken a risk of starting this relationship somehow, because they could be dealing with a court issue, and that could be a problem, or they could be involved into something else, because and that could be a reason. They are really afraid that they might have taken a wrong decision, and that is an obstacle, and that is the fear in them right now. Page of Pentacles from your end. The obstacle from your end is the Page of Pentacles with the Chariot. Yeah, this person is not committing to you the way you want, and this person is not even sure what they want, he or she wants. And you are just, hanging up in between. You are feeling like that, and that is the obstacle which you are feeling. You feel very emotionally dissatisfied with this person now, because it feels like, you have given a lot to this person or to this relationship, but nothing is coming back. They are not even ready to show you to their friends, family, but they could be dealing with other things. So that is the reason why they are not ready to tell everyone about you, why they are hiding you at present. I want to see their intentions. I don't know, but are these intentions true for my Scorpios? The person's intentions, whatever the things are going. Yeah, intentions are pure. Okay, so their intentions are definitely pure. They are really going through something bad. Okay, so they are healing. They are in that stage of healing where they do not want to take any step. They are really afraid to take any step at present. Their action towards this relationship. King of Swords with the Sun, yes. So don't worry. See, they are behaving very practical. Okay, they are practical. Whatever is happening, they are really thinking about the big problems, and that is why they are thinking about long term thing, and that's why they are not getting involved with you to that level. They are hiding you. They are not even trying to reply you more. So they are somewhere because they are really emotionally dissatisfied and emotionally void inside. It's a void which is coming up in their heart, and they're going through a lot of mental stress as well, I feel. And they are waiting for the perfect time to take in action with the sun energy. They are not ready to take that action now. Steps you are going to take is the Ace of Pentacles. I think you are going to wait. You will understand with time that, yeah, this is the person. You feel that this is the only person who is meant for me. Right now you are really stressed, but you are going to wait and you will understand what is going on in their life, and you will wait for them. Two of Pentacles at the final outcome, because the outcome is still pending. And with the Page of Wands, I think you are the one who is taking this relationship in a very beautiful manner, but this kind of thoughts will come and go again and again with the Five of Cups. Sometimes you are dissatisfied, sometimes you're really happy that they are with you. Again, you will be like, you're juggling between your emotions and your thoughts. And it's like, what if this person is just playing with me? If this person is just not with me at present, what if? So, yeah, that is the thing which is coming up. Hmm. Yeah. I really feel that you are in that ups and downs phase, Scorpio. All right, so that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.